Welcome back, student. In last we had discussed about the meaning and specimen of trading account. Now today we will solve the question related with trading account. Let us see how trading account will prepare from this question. Prepare a trading account from the following particulars for the year ended 31st March 2020. Opening stock 20,000, purchase 80,000, sales 1,60,000, wages 9,000, carriage on purchase 2,400, purchase return 1,000, sales return 2,000, manufacturing expenses 22,300, gas and fuel 4,100, and closing stock rupees 28,000. Student, here wages, carriage on purchase, manufacturing expenses, gas and fuel are the direct expenses, so I want to explain little wide about it. Direct expenses means all expenses directly connected with the manufacturing, purchase of goods and bringing them to the point of sale. Direct expenses include carriage involved, wages, factory lighting, water and fuel, royalty on production, etc. In our example, beside purchase, 4 more items of expenses are listed. These are wages, salary, rent of building, and bad debts. Out of these items, wages is treated as direct expenses, while the other 3 are treated as indirect expenses. Student, now we solve the question. Firstly, we written trading account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Here, opening stock, purchase, wages, carriage on purchase, manufacturing expenses, gas and fuel are written in the debit side of trading account, and sales and closing stock are written in the credit side the trading account, and the amount of purchase return is deducted from the amount of purchase, and the amount of sales return is deducted from the amount of sales. Student, in this question we getting the gross profit because the amount of purchase including direct expenses is less than the sales revenue. Note the term for the year ended in the title of the trading account is written because it gives the status of the whole accounting year, not position of any one day. Second, the date column is not prepared in this account because it is created on a fixed date, so the date is written with the title. Third, in this account, the ledger folio is not prepared because they are prepared from trial balance.